We need to remain fit. The most marvelous things about humans is that we are all different from each other. Everyone is unique in so many ways, at physical level, mental level, emotional level, spiritual level. So, it is important to find out about ourselves, how to stay fit and healthy. Good health is one of the priorities of our life, our duty towards ourselves. If we are fit and healthy, we do not face the miseries of sickness and pain. How can I live like this? You have so many choices every day about how should you live. While doing so, you should be mindful about your age, your limitations, and your behavior with others. We will give you 7 tips. Here, I would like to highlight 7 ways that you may choose to stay fit, healthy, and contented. Get 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Sleep is vital for your mind and body. It's a crucial time when many processes occur to restore your mind and body. A lack of sleep is reflected in your appearance, mental agility, and even mood. It also takes years off your life. That's why experts recommend that you sleep between 7 and 8 hours every night, and make sure it's good quality sleep. If you are a normal, healthy person, once in a month, observe a fruit day and eat only fruit to give rest to your digestive system and improve your metabolism. Depending on the season, there are a varieties of fruits available. Fruits are easily digestible and generate energy and alertness. If you want to get delicious, easy-to-make recipe and smoothies for rapid weight loss, increased energy, and incredible health, go check it out in description. Water is most important element. Because your body also is made up of around 60% of water, experts always advise you to drink sufficient water every day. Now, if you want to make this habit more interesting, twice in a day drink warm water with pinch of salt and lemon. This will detox your system naturally at regular interval. To be fit and healthy, we have to be active and use our muscular and skeletal system once a day. Practice yoga asanas, which stretches your spine in 6 different ways: upwards, sideward bending, forward and backward bending, twisting, and inverse. These asanas strengthen the muscles of your spine and improve your... Are you suffering spine pain? You can unlock your spine within 10 minutes without invasive surgery, addictive band-aid medications, and time-consuming appointments. Get easy solution. Go check out in description. Breathe twice a day. Sit or stand with your shoulders relaxed, and then inhale for 3 counts and exhale for 3 counts. Practice 4 rounds of this breathing rhythm. This kind of breathing is called bi-equal breathing, and it has the power to dramatically change your emotional states by inducing calmness within seconds. Never skip your skincare routine. No matter how tired you are and even if you're not in the mood, it's important to follow a daily skincare routine. The basics include a cleanser, moisturizer, and sunscreen that maintain healthy skin and protect it from sun damage, which accelerates the appearance of wrinkles and spots. Consistency is key because the threats from the sun, free radicals, and pollutants are ever-present. I would like to give you an amazing hair secret discovered by a heartbroken mother. Boosts your hair growth by up to 89% and regrows your natural, gorgeous, shiny, and bouncy locks within only 45 days. Details and description. Lift weights at least twice a week. Fitness experts recommend a minimum of 2 or 3 days of strength training per week to help build your muscles, burn more fat, and over time, prevent muscle mass loss that can affect your mobility and balance. Mobility and flexibility exercises also help prevent injuries and will help you get better results from your workouts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe and share it with your friends on Facebook, Twitter, and other platforms. Thank you for watching and see you next time.